Oh, good. Good to see you. When you're sort of nine, because it's quite tough, right? Just say good morning like this, so we get to the playing. Are you ready? Yes. All you Fijians on the big win 2 days ago in the Hong Kong tournament, right? Well done. And I guess good luck in the Olympics as well, which is coming up, I think, in September, right? Are any of the under 20 going to make it to the national team?
Some of these boys will make it to
Okay, so good luck and good luck with your careers. It was really fun coming out playing with you. Impressive to see your talent. Well done. Oh.